Hello, my name is Juan David. I'm from Medellin. I am studying electronic virtually. I from 3 days. I now focus my studies in my friend in your listening to music, please, video gamer, reading and spend time my friends. On my daily routine, I use unlike of red groups to groups jets red for complete my task. I my job and after I finish of take I should break before starting to study. I review my I love classic work all my projects and try to prepare everything for the next day. Need for groups to sleep. I always take I 5 minutes to like. I pack my family run it and just love go for out with my family of they keep of in also visit my parents to spend time to the activities of sea clubs or job moments in family.